Pinecraft Park, birds and kids, young and old. Well, we've got some snowbirds down here, looking at the real birds. This is Ernie again from Pinecraft Park, Sarasota, Florida. We've got some young kids here, and some of them are barefooted. They've been penned up inside all winter up north, and so they come down here to enjoy some of this nice warm weather. This lady just caught 2 sheephead out of Philippi Creek. I'm going to go and fix them for supper. This looks like quite a gang here. This young guy must have got something in his feet. He's on tiptoes. There's all sorts of fun things to do at Pinecraft Park, especially for the young and for the old and the young at heart. Bicycling, riding 3-wheelers, and even playing the guitar on top of a car. Looks like he's enjoying himself. And we've got a playground for the children, and it's a playground for the old folks. Here they're playing checkers. And as always, they usually have lots of spectators to see what's going on, and everybody has an audience. This young girl just came in from Illinois, and she's playing in the white sand. Here they're playing bocce ball. They even have one fellow on a wheelchair that's helping to play. They've got red and green balls, or miniature bowling balls, and they try to get it as close as they can to a small yellow ball. And it's quite an attraction. And here again, they have a lot of spectators cheering them on. And some games can get quite exciting. And it's a game of skill because they try to use the lay of the land to make it more challenging. And we have golf carts, bicycles, right beside the Philippi Creek. Here's a young aspiring Michael Jordan fan. And then we've got Evel Knievel here. So everybody's just having a great time. In behind the white fence is the shuffleboard court. And this fellow here, he sells a lot of oranges. And here they're leaning on the fence. Spectators again, and here's their modes of transportation. And I have a few shots of some of the birds. And sometimes the fishermen will throw their excess scraps of fish there. After they've cleaned the fish, they'll throw the bones there, and then they'll clean them up. Here's one out in the water. And I've got a little bit of a video here of them flying in and landing, just like the people from up north come flying in to land and enjoy the beautiful sunshine. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a little taste of what's happening in Sarasota, Florida. And just come down and join us. We're having a great time. Thanks again. Talk to you later.